c'est là-bas. Nous tout qu'il a là, nous dit bouter, nous retour côté. Même nous tous seuls, nous pas hésiter pour nous rouler, nous s'égare. Parce qu'il a donc une nous senti vibration, nous l'ego. Qui tellement y a tel anniversaire, n'y a pas qui fait c'est maudit. Nous tous attendons quand ces gars-là, Willy pour raisonner. Combien tonton m'attend, enfants avec toute la famille ensemble. Nous pour piquer ces gars parce qu'ils savent Willy nous.
Atop the slopes of the Signal Mountain in Port Reitz stands Reine de la Paix. If I translate it in English, it's Mary, Queen of Peace, a symbol of faith for Mauritius Catholic community. Ascending its summit, visitors are rewarded with not only a spiritual sanctuary, but also a panoramic view of Fort Reitz. This place of worship stands on a platform of 45 meters above sea level, with 7 step terraces connected by 82 steps. Hi guys! So today we are at Reine de la Paix. It's located in Port Reitz, the capital of Mauritius, and here last 2 years the Pope Francis came here to Mass.
Celebrating Mass.
Yeah, look, she has the t-shirt she wore when she was here.
Ah,
It was 2 years ago, right? Yes. And there were so many people, we watched it on TV from Australia. Live, yeah.
and we saw you.
So now we are on our way to La Citadel in Port Reitz. Here we got the race course. Champ de Mars. Perched on a hill in Port Reitz, Mauritius, La Citadel de Produit of Fort Adelaide stands as a sentinel over the capital. This fortress with its black stone walls dates back to 1830 and was constructed under British rule by Sir Charles Colville. Fort Adelaide was built to protect Port Reitz from invasions and control local revolts amid racial tensions. Completed in 1840 and named after Adelaide, wife of King William IV, it stands intact unlike many British-era forts. It symbolizes the end of slavery and the start of Indian immigration, constructed by a diverse labor force.
plateau si on voit.
how small it is. From here, the capital, we can see the north of the island. So you see a little mountain up far from there. Just follow my finger. So yeah, just there. We call it Coin de Mire, and it is located in the ocean. So this is another activity. I don't know if we will be able to do it, but this activity can be done on catamaran or speedboat or whatever.
To build Fort Adelaide, the government initially relied on apprentices, freed slaves, prisoners, and a few soldiers. However, the lack of skilled labor led to a recruitment of stonemasons, laborers, and other artisans from India in 1837 to complete the fort. The diverse population included 8,000 whites, 15,000 colored people, and 65,000 slaves. With only 1,200 soldiers and 100 civilians, the British built the fort to guard against potential French attacks and local revolts. Fort Adelaide isn't just a historical monument, but it offers a variety of experiences. Events and performances, museum and art gallery, and take in the panoramic scenery of Chinatown, Champs de Mars, and mountains. It takes about 1 hour to visit the whole thing. The entrance is free, and if you guys love history, you will definitely love that place. Highly recommended. Now we're heading to Cap Malheureux. So it's located completely in the north of Mauritius, and it's very famous for its red roof church. And we also heard that there's a nice restaurant on the beach close to the church called La Sandrine.
Passons. The Red Roof Church.
The name Cap Malheureux, translating to sad cave or unlucky cave, was given by the French who held control of the island from 1715 to 1810. In 1810, the British decided to seize control of the island to stop the raids on British fleets by the corsairs. Following an unsuccessful attempt to invade Via Grand Port in the south in August 1810, British Navy and Army forces from Bombay, Madras, and the Cape of Good Hope took the French by surprise by landing in the north of the island, where the French defenses were weakest. As a result, the French were defeated inland, and over the years, the area became known as Cap Malheureux, a reminder of the 1810 invasion. Any visit to Mauritius would not be complete without a detour to Cap Malheureux to admire the splendor of the Notre Dame Auxiliatrice Church, also known as the Red Roof Church. Throughout the year, the church attracts many visitors. Some even attend masses during the weekends. It gives a majestic view of the Coin de Mire and the ocean and boats far away.
Ben, il a dit je voulais faire des photos là.
The restaurant is closed.
Okay.
So they're here from 11:30 to 3.
Okay, so we miss it.
We miss it, yeah. They have lovely lobster,
Okay,
fish,
yeah.
like whole fish, barbecue.
So this is the one that we saw from the
La Citadel,
Citadel, yeah.
Coin de Mire.
Yeah. It's nice. Tu les uses là? Bon, so fait que la paix ça va ça fait ça. Ah d'accord. Ah, super.
Mais là, Bayon, l'autre côté Vendée, après là, ça me chez là aussi Vendée.
Ok.
Quand il était dans l'angouste, quand on passe tout ça là.
Ah ok là-dedans? Ok. Quand fait une petite vidéo là-dedans?
Allez, montre-lui.
Langouste.
Ça frais, ça fait café ça.
Fresh. Tout fresh ici.
C'est même petit.
Oui, c'est même moi. Ouais, langouste.
Ouais. Ouais, merci. C'est tous les jours aller à la pêche. Vous sortez quand on est abonné à ça?
Oui.
Et là, ça allait là où venir.
Non, ça allait là, on va venir moi. Ça veut dire soir qu'ils vont aller.
Ah, ok.
On va te demander.
Allez, top. Allez, merci. Ouais.
Ouais, ça tient de madame?
Oui, s'il vous plaît.
Roulez là-bas, sans même si, à où aller. Quand ces gars-là ils commencent à battre l'ambiance, là sans c'est là-bas. Nous tout qu'il a là nous dit bouter, nous retouper. Même nous tous seuls nous pas hésiter pour nous rouler, nous ces gars. Parce qu'il a donc qui nous senti vibration, nous les go. Qui tellement y a tel anniversaire, n'y a pas qui fait un motif. Nous tous attendons quand ces gars-là, Willy pour raisonner. Combien tonton m'attend enfants avec toute la famille ensemble. Nous pour piquer ces gars parce qu'ils savent Willy nous veulent le Mauricien. La nous tiquer, piquer, pour nous rouler, ziguiler, cadencer. Ça qui doit faire ces gars maman. Nous tous ensemble, piquer, pour nous rouler, ziguiler, cadencer.
Thank you for watching, guys. We hope that you like our video. Feel free to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.
Ces gars-là, ils donnent nous 10 ans. Ces gars qui faisaient depuis bien longtemps. Nous remercions Ban, c'est qui grand. Grâce à Kizo, Timothy, nous pouvons continuer sans terramiser. Oui, quand nous donnons ces gars faisaient. Nous dérivions pas qu'à résister. Qui se petit et qui se grand. Ces gars-là, ils donnent nous 10 ans. Quand nous donnons le Léona et le lot. même là pas de côté de nous. Mauritius quand y a l'étranger, ce c'est Cali pas pour bien.